In this video we will discuss about how to managing accounts payable and receivable for your business. Tips. Here we discuss some tips for managing accounts. Cut down transaction cycles. Reducing the transaction cycles for good purchased and sold will save your company labor money for those exchanges. It is because longer cycle may cause low cash flow. It is the case when a company prefers to wait for sales before paying the supplier, because businesses should set a time frame to receivables and accounts payables. Keep track of your old account. Business should regularly track all transactions and publish statements. Move over. It is wise to review the old account to ensure that all is well. If the accounts receivable are there in the books, take immediate action and suspend further businesses with that particular client until the transactions and balanced. Make a credit policy. One of the things that owner and manager don't like about deals is that they like a long time of complete. Accounts receivable departments offering established credit terms, which can vary depending on the customers they serve. Old customers with good credit rating can get more flexible payment term, while first time customer may not have much wiggle room. Enhance communication. It can be difficult for companies to stay ahead in both sectors, especially when dealing with a high volume of transactions. To facilitate this situation, departments need to negotiate purchases and sales that affect the company. Account receivable can refer to account payable to order more item when customer demand is very high. Track everything using automation. Save time and increase process consistency by automating account communications with customers. It is a thorough process, and even a single document can get even more annoying if you slip under the radar. Make it easy for your customers. Many of the payment issues you experienced are due to customer not being able to access, view, or not having access to a fast and convenient payment method. Get rid of these problems by creating a convenient system for customers. Use an e-billing system that delivers billing information and links directly in an email to avoid triggering spam filters with an attachment. Set up simple electronic payment gateways that allows customers to pay entire as soon as they read your bill.